Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First stock for swing trading is Adani Enterprise. We can spot a long wick on the upper side in the formation of weekly candle. If I try to interpret it on the daily chart, one thing is pretty sure: the level of 785 is acting as a robust support level. There is a huge wick extremely longer in today's session, which implies that there is a strong group of buyers who are opposing selling, and hence the result is price going to high level. On the hourly chart, this is where the situation stands right now. At the end of the session, the accumulation has begun, though we can call this candle as a doji candle as it has wick in the either side. If I go to 15-minute chart, this is extremely important thing, and this is where we can profess where the stock will go. This is called a higher high and higher low pattern. And if I try to connect the high of, or rather open of this bearish candle, it comes around 799. Current market price is 785. I am confident that if price goes above 785, even 790, we can easily see high of this week, which is 830, being challenged. Though it will be full of difficulty, but we just need one bullish pattern on the daily chart, whether it be long wick candles on the lower level or inside bar or even inside day. So we have to keep an eye on that. Second stock that I have selected is Voltus. So this is a variation of inside bar as low as crossing the high of this bullish candle. I'm going to try to interpret the entire week's action on daily chart. So here there is a selling going on after 1 1. Let me see the high here, 1132, and the current level is 1000. Again, I told you there is a significant importance of round number multiple time in my videos. Price did break the round number. It came as low as, it went as low as 993, but due to this being a robust support level, it was pushed to higher levels by buyers. And as Friday, the current market price is 1000. So this can be a good entry point for buyers to start accumulating. And this is a trend line. Let me draw it. So this is a trend line. I'm not selecting it. Yeah. So this is a trend line. We can also call a triangle. You can draw it a much better way. Let me try that. Yeah, this is the one. So we can buy above high of this bearish candle, which is at 1006, and I can easily see the high here, which is around 1130, getting challenged. If not that, we are definitely going to see 1110, means which means 100 points or 100 rupees of growth in the entirety of next week. Third stock for next week of swing trading is Hindalco Industries. After Hindalco Industry managed to break out from 265, or if we take high of this bullish candle, which was 275, there was no looking back. Since last 2 weeks, it has been making higher highs and higher lows. So for the current week, the volume activity has not picked up, and we have to see the reason for that, and I am going to analyze it on the smaller time frame. So here there is a slow and steady rise, though there is a bit of selling pressure at 300, and which was kind of pushing the price lower. Hence, we can see a small range bullish candle. Once again, in today's session, this candle formation is a doji one, which means price is either going to go up or go down. Let me go to hourly chart, and here we can see that the pressure is equal from buyers and sellers. So this was a huge bearish candle. Price went up, again came down. Once again, the low of the previous up rally was not taken down, which means that the tide is turning. Price did manage to go as low as previous down rally, but it closed very high. Once again, the accumulation has begun by the buyers. So this particular candle, which is a doji candle, is either going to turn the tide in the favor of buyers and sellers. And coming to 15-minute chart, I strongly think that buyers are going to triumph, and they are going to come out with flying colors in the next week above the market price of 315, and we should be seeing the levels of 345 and 350. Fourth and final stock is UPL India, UPL Limited. So on the weekly chart, the level of 530 is acting as a support level. Just try to join low of maximum candles. So that comes to 531. On the daily chart, this 531 has been acting as a formidable support level. Hence, the accumulation has begun by the buyers bit by bit. The accumulation has not gone into full swing, as we can see long wick candles on the upper side, but still this is a long wick candle. But despite the fact that buyers came in on the lower level and again bought a decent quantity, and that is going to be the theme in the next week. It seems that buyers are getting more confident buying at higher levels. When that happens, it is going to turn into an extreme bullish momentum. These two long wick candles on the lower levels are implying selling pressure. So above 555 or 560, we should see a decent bullish momentum, and I can see the bullish momentum continuing till 600. Hopefully that should be the level, because in UPL what I have seen is price goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So something has to give, and in some weeks there has to be a threshold or a breakout zone which UPL is going to cross, and I feel that if 600 gets taken down, we are going to easily see 700, because it has been consolidation dating long for long period of time in that particular level, which means that price is wanting to go higher. It's just waiting for the right time. So these are the levels which I have chalked out. For swing trading, it is extremely important to trail your stop loss, especially by using a methodology or a trading or order type called aftermarket order, because I have seen multiple times that in the first 5 minutes stock can go up and go down. So if you place your order just before 9:15, for example, in UPL you bought at 556 and your target is achieved, which is 560 at the end of the day, and current market price is maybe 564. So what you can do after the market gets over, you have to go to aftermarket orders, and you have to change you have to trail your stop loss to 560. So suddenly at 9:15 stock might open at 6 563 and quickly goes at 550. And if you will not have used aftermarket orders, you are going to lose all your gains. So that's an extremely important strategy. Do not forget aftermarket order. You do not have to take risk. It doesn't matter how thorough your analysis is, or uh, uh, how your analysis is extremely how would I put it into words? It doesn't matter how well you analyze, there is always scope for your analysis going the other way. And to safeguard against that, we have to use aftermarket order. And be follow the trading system, you will reap benefits and it is going to save you hell lot of money. Thank you for watching.